Hey, what's up guys? So today I'm back with another video, and in this video I'm gonna show you yet another way in how to get your channel monetized quickly. So as you can see right now, my channel is almost ready to be monetized. I've reached the public watch hours thing, but I haven't completed my subscribers yet. But it will soon be completed, and I don't know when it will happen. So firstly, and very important step is that you're going to go into your YouTube channel right here. Go into your channel, then you can go into YouTube Studio, and then as you can see over here, go into videos. So now in this filter tab, you want to click over here and you want to click on copyright claims. So now as you can see, I have one copyright claim on one of my videos. This can result in the hampering of your channel being stopped for the review of monetization. So firstly, we are going to go ahead and we're going to see details. Okay, so now as you can see, this is the song that has been copyrighted, and this is the part of the video which has to be muted and so on. And now as you can see, this is all the various information, and we go over here, and now I have the example of these three options, and I know it is very easy to do any three of them, but let's assume for a second that we do not have these three options and we only have dispute. So there's no chance of us to remove this type of audio. Now what you're gonna have to do is close this tab and then click on this pencil icon over here. Now as you can see, you have to go into this part over here, editor. So now as you can see, this is around that. This is the part. You can also note down the timing of the part with which the video has been copyright claimed. For example, I'll just go over here for one last time and I'll see this. You can now note down this timing, but some of the part is that somehow the audio is not there. So I'm just going to go ahead and add some of YouTube's audio from the audio library into that part. So remember, note this time and this time, and let's go ahead and jump into the video editor. Now over here we want to go into expand and click on audio. So now as you can see, the part that has to be removed is right here, and I've also marked it in my notes. In my notes it is 2 minutes 52 seconds to 3 minutes to 29 seconds. This is just a rough estimate. So you're gonna have to go over here, and then you can click on whichever genre you want. I'm just going to go ahead and click on rock, and then do duration. Since my video is for about 36 seconds, it's going to go ahead and click on this. So now let's find our closest option, which is closest to 36. Okay, so this seems to be good. So I'm going to go ahead and click on add to video. And I'm going to position this right at my required timing. So my required timing was 2:52 and 3:29. That doesn't really make a lot of difference. I can just cut the song right here. So now in this way you know how to add some of the music to your video library instead of doing all listing. So now this method can only be applied if you have this dispute thing right here, or else you can take the easy route and mute song, replace song, or just trim out the segment. I suggest you mute the song, or you can just go into the editor and replace the song from here. And anyways, so that's all I have for you guys today. Thank you so much for watching, and peace out.